Welcome, in front of me is a OnePlus Nord 4, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, swipe down from the top of your screen to bring down the toggles, and then you can swipe down once more to extend the list of toggles. Next, you're looking for the Do Not Disturb toggle, which might be visible on one of the pages. For me, it is on the second page right over here. Once you see yours, which should be added by default, I should add. Once you see the toggle, first time around I recommend holding it, as this will quickly take you to the settings where you have the options to just customize how it will function once enabled. And additionally, we have options in here like the schedule mode. So in here you can just select a fully automatic schedule. This will turn the hotspot on and off at a provided day of the week and start and end time. And if you're planning to use such a thing, just make sure that it is toggled on in here. Now additionally, you can obviously create multiple schedules at the same time, have them all running simultaneously if you want to. But for everyone else that wants to use it manually, once you go to the settings right here, customize them to fit your needs. All you will need to do is just find the toggle and simply tap on it. First time around, you will get this pop-up, turn on Do Not Disturb. It does come with the Don't Remind Me Again box checked on by default. So once you select Turn On, this box won't show up ever again. Then I select Turn On. It gives you also a notification that it is right now running. Just get rid of it. And with the manual enabled, you will also need to remember to turn it off yourself, otherwise this mode would be running indefinitely in the background. And to do so, find the toggle once more and simply tap on it, or as you've seen, there is a notification which allows you to quickly just select turn off on here. And as you will see, this also turned it off as a little toggle right here. So anyway, with this being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.